and rum.
Ooh yeah. Well, alright, we're jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, and I hope.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I have a quick unboxing that I have to do. I got some products, guys, and this company that sent the products to us, awesome company located here in South Florida, and you may have, if you're in South Florida, you may have seen their products on the shelves in your local supermarkets, in your local Latin stores, Jamaican stores, Caribbean stores. They are here and they're doing a great job. Yes, what do you think about it? See, they're doing a great,
awesome products. Yes, love them.
You love them, awesome products. Big up yourself. Yeah. All right, without further ado, we're not wasting no time. Let me just show you. The wifey is gonna do the she's doing that thing. Oh, you know what? Let me do it. Let me do it. No, let me do it. Cause me afraid, guys. You see her? No, hold on. Can I get the knife, please? Let's see her. Me not trust her, guys, cause she hold knife so awkward. You know?
I am awkward.
See? Next thing you know, you hear hi and she start crying. No, sir.
Yeah. When I'm ready.
When I'm ready, guys. Tan 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 tan. It's Royal Montego, guys. They sent me a box of goodies. And they know what time it is around here.
Vegan time.
This is vegan time. So we have some soya chunks. That's the first thing that we have right there. Soya chunks. And they sent us a boat of soya chunks. This is the plain one.
And that's
the and the caramel one is for when you're making like stew, like a stew down, like you make stew chicken. This is the caramel one. And the plain one is for when you're doing like curry.
Okay, so you can add your own.
And you know me love my chunks. So yes. Thank you so much once again, Royal Montego. Yeah. And you know what? Maybe give her one of them if somebody wants it.
Yeah,
you know, maybe give her one on the channel. Yeah, man. See that? Give her some of them things there. Chunky. All right. We have oxtail season. Me say oxtail season. Yes.
The oxtail. Nice.
You see the oxtail there? And this is also great, guys, not only if you're doing oxtails, but if you're doing vegan dishes or vegetarian dishes and you want that type of flavor. Say you stew down some mushroom. You can stew down some mushroom with the butter bean and just sprinkle a little oxtail seasoning on it. It look good. Yeah.
So we have, okay.
And we have all-purpose seasoning. Yes, man. And if you look on the all-purpose seasoning, you notice it's powder. You know, see no cornmeal, you know, swirling around in that. You see, like it's just herbs. Yeah, herbs and them thing there. Yes, man. Yes, I feel it.
Fish seasoning. You know, Easter is coming up. Everybody love their fish dishes for Easter.
I'm about to say I'm gonna buy some Sprat.
Of course. Yes, I can't wait.
Trust me. I like it a lot.
Hot curry powder.
Whoa.
You know, say curry and heat go hand in hand.
Yes, man.
This is genius.
And guys, if you look at the curry, you can see say this curry is nice. It almost it look like the Jamaican curry where we love. Yeah, man. The method, cause you know every curry is a formula. You know that, right, babes? Yeah, man. Every curry is a formula. The different things them with them have in it. You know, you have to add it in a certain proportion to get the, you know, and see them say no MSG Jamaican hot curry. Me feel like that curry some egg. Egg. You have to say egg. You can't just say, yeah?
And chicken
Jamaican
seasoning.
chicken seasoning. Royal Montego, you say this is what I like about the people them up there, you know, because they know some need the seasoning. Thank you guys. Once again, more seasoning. Jamaican regular curry powder this now. So that one they hot, that one there is regular.
Awesome.
We say regular. Regular.
Oh, this is
One
a-
on. This wrap up in
Present.
a file paper.
Woo!
Wow.
Coffee?
What? Royal Montego. You know, outdo yourself with this
And
one.
this is perfect for us because we're not really big coffee drinkers, so
Yeah.
the instant coffee works.
This is
Awesome.
perfect for us. Jamaican instant coffee like where your grandfather used to drink back in the day. Yes. I thank you once again. Me not stop say thanks, you know. Me not stop say thanks. Oh, put it over there. So, not stop say thanks. No, sir. No,
We have
sir.
chunks for the year.
There, they might give you chunks, on top of chunks, on top of chunks. No, sir.
We have some chunks giveaway. And Easter buns. Jesus, feel the bun. Feel the bun.
I felt it.
Wow.
This bun is so soft.
Wow. No, for real though.
I wonder them sell cheese. Royal Montego
Yeah,
sell
they need
cheese.
to make a cheese.
Me feel so. But they don't have no cheese, but they give me the ginger tea.
Ginger.
So we can work with the bun and ginger tea. Lord help us. Yes. And them ginger tea, they will have the
Yeah.
yes.
Ginger crystals.
Thank you once again, guys. Ginger crystals. Guys, with us unboxing and showing our one in our Royal Montego, you know, peppermint herbal caffeine-free tea. It's amazing, amazing, amazing. And guys, when you go into the supermarket, when you go into the store, I want you to look for this brand, Royal Montego. They have a whole bunch of Jamaican items. They have butter beans, baked beans, they have ackee, they have syrup, they have ketchup, they have, what else they have? They have
the oxtail seasoning, the liquid one. What do you call it? The
them
sauce?
have the liquid. Yeah, put them in the fridge.
Oh, you have them?
Yeah, take out some and show them. Them have a bunch of stuff, guys, and they are right here in South Florida. Jamaican company, Jamaican staff, Jamaican management, and them right here in South Flow, so you can check them out. Look on this. See that? Royal Montego oxtail seasoning. Yeah, and this is great. Them have the jerk one to this. Them have the cow foot. Them have cow foot seasoning to this. So it's a whole bunch of stuff, guys. But I'm endorsing the brand because I've used the product. Not only because them send me some gift, but I've used their product and the products are good. We love it and we love what they're doing in our community. So big up on yourself to all the folks over there at Royal Montego in South Florida. Big up on yourself, and remember, we're gonna select somebody randomly from our channel, yeah, and just send on some gifts, yeah, and make them like it and make them love it and big up them. But them not get the bundle, cause but are not good things to give people. Remember. I feel like that bun they need to cut now. I wait till Easter.
Easter is
Oh.
spread.
What will I cook from this tonight? Ginger tea and what?
Ginger tea and coffee.
Make coffee, make coffee, make coffee, make coffee, me bowl of boiling coffee in the morning. I don't care for none of these. The only thing for me is me bowl of Royal Montego coffee in the morning.
So guys, look out for soy chunk
Recipes.
because we will be doing a lot of those.
And we'll be using a whole host of these ingredients in our regular food recipes. Yeah, we have some really, really good food coming up that we want you guys to check out. And of course, remember guys, they are in almost every supermarket in the local area. And we want you to support them because we support who support we. You understand? That's how the thing go. One hand wash the other and one hand can't clap. So we have to support who support we. That's how the thing say.
Same.
And so, on behalf of Yardie TV, we want to thank you publicly, Royal Montego, for your awesome gift of these goodies. Veggie chunks and the most. And we thank you for thinking about Yardie Belly TV as you move up the line of providing good quality goods and produce and products to the Caribbean community and those who are Caribbean curious. You know, you hear them talking there? Big talk, you know? Caribbean curious. Once again, on behalf of Yardie Belly TV, we bid you adieu. And we'll talk to you soon. Peace.